Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to English with Nasrin. Today I will show you how EFL teachers can use ChatTube to make English lessons more interactive, engaging and effective. ChatTube is an AI tool that allows you to chat with YouTube videos. It helps teachers create questions, summaries, vocabulary tasks and comprehension activities from educational videos. So the first step is to go to ChatTube website. Then copy and paste the link of any YouTube video you want to use in your class. For example, you could use a short story video, a documentary clip, a grammar lesson, a conversation video, etc. One great benefit about using this website is that it really saves teachers a lot of time. Here is a video story called The Present that I usually like to use and teach in my lessons. I simply copy the link of the video and go to ChatTube website and I paste it into the ChatTube website. Once I'm in, I could start a conversation with the video. There is an option to get a summary of the video as well, and I can also read and check without watching the video, the summary, or I could also read the transcript very quick. So it's right here below the video on the left side of the screen, and on the right side of the screen I could actually start with the conversation and ask ChatTube what I want from it to do for me as a teacher. So the first thing I would like to do is ask ChatTube if this video is suitable for my 5th grade learners, and their CEFR level is A2. And once I get a permission that yes, it's okay, I could actually start to build on my lesson plan or worksheet that I'm planning on writing for my students. So once I get a confirmation that the video is suitable, I would like to ask ChatTube to create a 45-minute lesson plan that I could use to teach my class. So I'm just going to suggest a lesson plan that I could teach to my 5th grade learners, and I would write the CEFR level, which is A2, and let's see what it suggests. So as you can see, I get a full lesson plan with goals, a vocabulary focus practice, and a pre and during and after video activity for each section of the lesson that I could simply take and use in my teaching. If I would also like to add more questions such as multiple choice, yes/no questions, or true/false statements, this is also a possibility. I just type in what I want and I would automatically get a response from ChatTube for different questions, different activities that I could simply take and use in my lesson. As you could see, these are true/false statements that I asked ChatTube to write for me, and I could simply look at, read, and see if I would like to use, and copy them and paste them into a worksheet that I want to use with my learners. So I hope you found this video useful and informative of how to use ChatTube. Thank you for watching, and I hope it really helps you create engaging and successful EFL or ELL lesson plans.